Hi guys, how are you all? Here I have a nice algebraic equations. One is quadratic, another one is linear. X square minus y square equals 27 and xy equals 18. So I'm going to show you two methods how to solve this. You have to solve for x plus y. So how are we going to do that? The first method and the first step. Let me just write it down. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. So in the first method, let me write it down. What is equation 1? That is x square minus y square equals 27. Alright, now what I'm going to do with this equation is, this is x square minus y square equals 27. Let's square both sides. Now this is a square minus b square. I'm going to expand that. So I have x squared the whole square. That's your a square. So you'll have x to the power of 4 plus next y squared the whole square. That's y to the power of 4. That's your b square minus 2ab. Your a is x squared and your b is y squared, and that's equal to 27 squared. Alright, till here it was easy, right? Now I'm going to write that as x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus this. I'm going to combine it. xy the whole square is equal to 27 squared. Now what is xy from our equation 2? That's 18, right? So I'm going to substitute that. So I have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 2 times 18 the whole square is equal to 27 squared. Now let's bring all the constants one side. What do you say? X to the power of 4 plus y to the 4 is equal to, I have 27 squared. Then bringing it this side, I have 2 times 18 squared. Alright, let this be equation 3. Okay, now what we are gonna do next is, okay, we have written x square plus y square the whole square. What was that? A square plus b square. Here we took minus 2ab, right? Now I'm going to taking x square plus y square plus 2ab. So let's write that down. What is that? We have x square, that's x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2 x square y square. Is that right? Yes. Now let me take the things on this side. Let me take this part on this side. So I have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to this whole thing, x square plus y square the whole square minus 2x square y square. Now let me write it down again. X to the 4 plus y to the 4 is equal to, I have x square plus y square the whole square minus 2. I can write this as xy the whole square. Alright, now let me just name it as equation 4. What I want from equation 3 and 4 is to compare these two equations. What do I get? So let me compare. This is also x to the 4 plus y to the 4. This is also x to the 4 plus y to the 4. So let us compare it. Let me write it down. I have 27 square plus 2 times 18 square from equation 3. And from here, what do I have? X square plus y square the whole square minus 2xy the whole squared. The next step is, as I know xy is 18, isn't it? I'm going to substitute that here. So here I have 27 squared plus 2 times 18 squared. is equal to x square plus y square the whole square minus 2 times 18 squared. Done. Now just send it the other side, this side. So I get 27 squared plus 2 times 18 squared. Send it the other side, I get plus 2 times 18 squared is equal to what? X squared plus y squared the whole squared. Now what will be our next step? Let's solve it further. So I have 27 squared plus 4 times 18 squared, alright, is equal to the same thing, x squared plus y squared the whole squared. What will be our next step after this? After we do till here, we've got 4 times 18 squared plus 27 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared the whole squared. Now I'm just gonna take something like this, split them apart. Let me write it down, this thing first, okay? This part, x square plus y square the whole square is equal to 27 squared. Alright, 27 squared can be written as 9 squared times 3 squared. So I'm going to take 9 squared common. Out of this, I'm left with 3 squared plus, as I've taken 9 squared out of this as well, so what I'm left with, 4 is there. From 18 squared, I'm just left with 2 squared. Alright, so what is it next? We have 9 squared, 3 square is 9, plus 2 square is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 9 is again 25. So what do we get? X square plus y square the whole square is equal to 9 square times 25 is 5 squared, isn't it? Now let me write it down like this. X square plus y square the whole square is equal to 9 times 5 the whole square. Now take square root on both sides. Cancel out the square roots and squares. So you're left with x square plus y square is equal to 9 times 5 is 45. It is plus or minus 45. Now you've got this thing. So your x square plus y square is equal to plus 45, or it's equal to x square plus y square is equal to negative 45. Negative excluded. Plus 45, yes. Okay, so what do we have? This formula, x plus y the whole square is equal to, we have x square plus y square plus 2xy, isn't it? So what is our x square plus y square? We've got 45. And what is xy from equation 2? It's 18. Let us substitute. X plus y the whole square is equal to, this is 45 plus 2 times 18 from our equation 2. Yes. So what is 45 plus 2 times 18? We have x plus y the whole square, that's equal to 81. Take square root on both sides, cancel out, so you get x plus y is equal to plus or minus 9. That's it. That's all what we wanted. X plus y is equal to what? X plus y is equal to plus or minus 9. Now there's another method which you can follow for the same question. This is the second method which we are going to do. Here what we have again, now x square minus y square equals 27. We are going to use substitution method in this. Okay, what is this? Xy equals 18. Let me write it down. The equation 2, 2 and 1. From equation 2 we have this. So what is the value of y? Divide both sides by x. Cancel out. Y is equal to 18 over x. Right? Substitute this in equation 1. So let's write down what is our equation 1. X square minus y square is equal to 27. So what is our y? 18 over x. Let me write it down. X square minus 18 over x, the whole square, is equal to 27. After this, we have x square is x square minus 18 square is what? 324 over, we have x square is equal to 27. Now let's remove this denominator. X square multiply x square, x square, x square on both sides. Here it gets cancelled out. So here we have x to the 4, or we can simply write it as x square, the whole square. Keep it like that. Minus 324 is equal to 27x squared. Bring all terms one side. We have x squared, the whole square. Bring it this side. Minus 27x squared minus 324 is equal to 0. Now what we are going to do is substitute this x squared as t. Let t is equal to x squared. So we have t squared minus 27t minus 324 equals to 0. You have a quadratic equation. You can factorize. What are the factors for 324? You can just take 36 and 9. Yes, so let's take that. So we have t squared minus 36t plus 9t minus 324 equals to 0. Let's take out t common. T left with t minus 36 plus 9. Again you're left with t minus 36 equals to 0. T minus 36 is common. Take it out. Then you have t plus 9 equals to 0. So you have two things. T minus 36 equals to 0, and here t plus 9 equals to 0. Here you have t is equal to 36. Here you have t is equal to negative 9. Negative excluded. T is equal to 36. Let's move forward. But what is t? T is equal to x squared, isn't it? X squared is equal to 36. So take square root on both sides. Cancel out the square root and square. X is equal to plus or minus 6. But what about y? Let's solve for y. So y is equal to 18 over x from equation 2. So y is equal to 18 over plus or minus 6. That's equal to plus or minus 3. So you've got 6 and 3. What is x plus y? X plus y is equal to plus or minus 6 plus or minus 3. That's equal to plus or minus 9. So you've got the same answer as you got it before. So your x plus y is plus or minus 9. That's your answer. So algebraic equations are fun to solve. If you have any suggestions, you can write it in the comment box. If you want to try a new method, also most welcome. And thank you so much for joining and always supporting. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and have fun.